All right, guys. Let's just get this out here quick. Let's see if I can do this a lot faster than before. I gotta start timing myself. Here. Let me just get settled here. One more. I always forget Twitter. Even though. Alright, folks. If you're just tuning in, you know the drill. Just give me like a minute or so. If you're watching the replay, skip ahead a couple minutes, get myself out, get all my stuff out there. I gotta save these captions so I can copy and paste them. I will get faster at this. What's up, everyone? Josh, Garrett, how you doing, buddy? Thanks for stopping by. All right. What is going on? Please excuse me. I had to do this on a pinch. I did make myself some food. I did not eat at all today. So, I was a little hangry. I didn't get myself a Snickers, but I got myself a decent meal on the fly. So, if you see me taking a few bites, my apologies. I'll do my best not to eat so much on stream now. Let's see, how's everyone doing? So, what is going on? Finally, something happened. So, just a quick little update. Last time we spoke on stream, you know, price was taking its sweet time, trying to make a decision off of this wedge pattern. And this goes to show, you know, what I say a lot, you know, not necessarily on here, but just talking to people in general, is that traditional patterns have their place, but more often than not, the market understands that a lot of people are looking at things in the same frame of lens, same perspective. So the market's gonna toy with you a lot, and especially if you're trading, you know, traditional patterns, support and resistance and all that. I'm not saying that it doesn't work, but just be aware of some stuff like this. You had a upside breakout, ended up being a fake out, and completely just tearing down this support of that diagonal. Something that I don't really look for, but just a good example here of how the market likes to toy with people's emotions and mess with people's heads. So I did actually manage to get a short. Unfortunately, I did try to take a hedge long one more time. Wasn't really, you know, too confident when price was taking its sweet time. I hope you guys did catch this short. If you guys are in the Discord, I did post it and you guys had maybe like 2 or 3 minutes to get in. Sorry it wasn't quicker than that. Some stuff going on, and I got it out, and you probably literally had like 2 or 3 minutes. I didn't even get the best entry. I got down somewhere like around here. So the game plan for me is, now that the support is broken, we finally had the market decide to make a decision. You know, most likely the odds are gonna be downwards. You know, there's gonna be definitely a bigger probability of us moving down to lower lows. You know, we just gotta take it level by level. So I'm in my shorts. Hope you guys got into some shorts as well. If not, hopefully you guys got into the bigger macro positions if you guys were able to catch those. I am short from 3 different positions actually. It's kind of funny how I managed to get these, but I am short from here at about 42,250. I was using a 1.5 or something like that. I don't remember what I was using. And I'm also short from this macro ABC here. This I did end up you know, having a rough time with in the beginning, but you know, we got the position, we're good. So I'm short from 3 different areas, all targeting around the same position. So let's see how this plays out. This more recent short that I take, I'm using about a little bit less risk than usual. So, you know, it's not going to make up for the grounds of some of the money I lost trying to hedge, but you know, it's good. It's definitely a step forward. So that is BTC ETH. Same thing. Unfortunately, I was too busy trying to catch the BTC short. I did not catch a short on ETH. You know, it's kind of the same idea. Prices were taking its sweet time consolidating, squeezing its way down, ended up having some sort of fake out. I'm not sure. Did it form some sort of wedge? Almost. Yeah. This is technically still in its wedge pattern, but I'm not too worried about that. Let's see. It looks like the next levels it wants to test is around 25. 23 is the next, and then 2160. So we'll see what happens to see how the market reacts to those levels. At this point, I'm just cruising. There's really no reason to try to catch shorts. I also have no reason to try to keep hedging long. If price does come back above this bigger A here off of this ABC, I might take it, but it just, to me, the probability is, especially now, is definitely more in the downwards direction. So yeah, that's basically a quick update. Let me just show you guys. So just I know you guys, if you guys are in the Discord, you definitely caught this. But this is the setup I posted literally right as it was happening. So I was able to get in. Hope you guys were able to as well. If not, there's always more opportunities ahead. So that's that. TAY. So if you guys want to ask me anything, give you guys the floor. Schedule as usual, or I guess structure as usual. But side note, while getting that going, I noticed something interesting. Now, I don't check my YouTube analytics a lot because I understand that I'm a small channel. I'm just trying to get content out there as much as I can. And one of the videos from 2 weeks ago, this one, I don't know what happened, but I think let's see, where is it? Here it is. It got 180 views, so in a relatively short amount of time. So I don't know if it was actual viewers. I appreciate you guys. If it was bots, but hey, I still appreciate it. So very interesting to see. So thank you guys for that. I've also just crossed the 60 subscriber mark, which doesn't seem like a big deal, but to me, that is a big. I'm taking it step by step. I did post 2 videos. One of them was a short. Basically, it's just like little small stuff I'm trying to just get into, just to try. So if you guys are interested, check that out. I also went on like a little rant, because this is something that I've been noticing over the last couple of days, just across my personal friend groups and group chats I'm in, seeing other people. And now I didn't mention the name in this, but I'm gonna mention this on stream. After the stream I did 2 days ago, somebody mentioned that someone put in a good amount of money into a BTC spot position, and I noticed that they definitely put a lot more than they probably should have, and they were in the bad spot. I didn't want to directly answer that question because I don't want to give financial advice or anything, but in the moment I should have said, hey, don't be afraid to cut your losses. It's very important. So that kind of triggered the idea, and after that happened, I started noticing people having the same issues. There's bigger YouTubers out there. I'll just say his name, Target Hit. Every once in a while I stop by his stream and see what's going on, but this guy is always losing money, man, and it's the lack of not having a stop loss and not taking losses where it makes sense. And so I kind of spiraled down the concept of learning how to take losses, and I kind of got the ideas flowing for me. So if you guys are interested, check that out. It's just a little 5-minute rant. Nothing serious. Let's see. When will you change back to inverse perpetual? Good question. So me personally, it depends. So let me give you an example. On my swing accounts, I probably won't go back until I kind of approach it how I approach my DCAs almost, is I'll put a little bit, if we get an ABC, if we get a bigger ABC to the downside here, if we get back above, I'll put a little bit. I'll sprinkle a little bit at the low at 29, and mostly I'll kind of sprinkle it in as it gets to certain local lows or certain levels I'm looking for. Honestly, for BTC, probably like 25 to 20, 24 to 26k, that region, I'll probably sprinkle a little bit. But usually when I switch over to inverse perpetual, I'll kind of do that. I'll just won't put everything in at once. I'll kind of sprinkle it in, similar to how I'll sprinkle in my spot buys. But that's my game plan. If prices get, just put in a slightly lower low in reverse, I'll probably put some back into inverse perpetual just in case. And yeah, that's about it. We have a lot of sideways action coming up here, probably shortly. If not, it's gonna be rapid decline with some stabilizing sideways price structure, in my opinion. So, hopefully I answered that question, Garrett. Agreed on the sideways action. Yeah. I don't know. This is now I'm not gonna sit here and toot my own horn. I'm not gonna sit here and say I called these things, because at the time it was just an idea, a possibility, definitely a concept that I had in the back of my mind, but wasn't necessarily putting a lot of weight into. But that this was a bigger ABC, something like that, and then we could have seen a prolonged bear market. So who knows? At the very least, this area gets some sideways price action, but these can go lower. Garrett, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you, buddy. Hope you have a good night. I'll catch you around in the stream, either stream here soon or in the Discord. But thank you again. Appreciate you. Oh, you guys can probably hear that. I'm so sorry. All right. Let's see. All right. All right, guys. I'm honestly, I hate to do this, but I am shot. I got like maybe 3 or 4 hours of sleep last night, and maybe 5 the night before, so it's catching up to me. I love you guys. I really do. Appreciate you guys for stopping by, watching. If you're watching the replay, thank you again for tuning in, listening to what I have to say. Just quick recap before we go, because I'm probably just gonna wrap things up here, to be honest. It's late at night. I got stuff to do. I'm tired, so maybe I'll do something else. Post something else tomorrow to make up for it. So let's see. now the price actually decided to make a move, I'm way more confident in shorts now. So the goal is to stay in my shorts. I'm probably not going to hedge long anymore. Just holding it down to significant levels that could reverse from and go from there. Ultimately, I'm not looking to be macro bullish until we cross back below 33,000. And besides that, that's really it. It's just a waiting game. We'll see what happens in the next couple days. Hopefully there's not any more shenanigans. But besides that, that's going to be it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. I really would appreciate it. I haven't done this in a while, but if you guys are interested in working more with me, if you guys are having trouble with anything, feel free to check out the link in the description. You'll get access more to me, and if you're looking to get some help, you know, I'll be willing to help you out. So thank you guys so much again. Peace out. I really appreciate you guys. Be good, be safe. Until next time, be well. Have a good night, everyone.